Welcome friend. In this video I am going to tell about how starts with function is going to work. Okay, this is also string function and all the videos which are currently covering that is related to the string function. So see how this function works on this particular video. Starts with means if the particular search word I am using inside the sentence or statement or text, if there is a present, then it is going to be starts with that particular word and it returns you true statement. If not, it returns to the false statement. Okay, so how it is going to work, let's see. Suppose there is a text, I am written here, hello, welcome to my world. Okay, hello, welcome to my world. Then x equal to text dot starts with, okay, starts with hello. Fine, starts with hello. Then print x. If hello is present and starts from the particular sentence, it is going to be written true, otherwise it returns to the false. Python starts with str underscore fun dot py. It's a true. If I remove the character, suppose hello, h removed, then see what is going to be written. It will return you false. It's written the boolean value. Okay, if the search word is present from the beginning of the particular sentence, then it is going to be written you true. If the search word is not present at the beginning, it is going to be written as a false. So you understand how it is going to be work. It returns the boolean value, that is a true or the false. Fine. So if you have any doubt further, go through the comment box, type there, and please like this video, please share this video also, click on the bell icon. When I upload any future videos, you will get the notifications, and please subscribe this channel also. Thank you.